Good day, folks. Good to have you back. It's been a couple weeks since my last video. Thought I'd give you guys an update on what's going on around here. We got the veg tent is rocking away. As you can see, my pepper and tomato plants are starting to sprout. A few of the tomatoes have been going for a week or so. They sprouted right away. The peppers just started a few days ago. Obviously, I gotta give them a drink and bordering on dry. And there is a single candy freak. It's one of the freak show genetics. Out of 4 seeds, I got 1 to germinate. And that one is at least 2 weeks old. She's a slow grower. Not much oomph. I'm thinking the seeds were definitely premature. So, we're gonna let her grow. Hopefully, a few more weeks I'll be able to sex it and tell what we got. And if she's female, she's gonna go through around. And if it's a male, I'll be collecting some pollen. The second tent has been a godsend. It's working out great. Everything is running smooth. These here, I think, probably gonna be a couple more weeks, and they're a little thicker and fuller. There'll be time to transplant a few of them and get them outside in the greenhouse. I got the extra greenhouse set up outside for such things. And let's see what we got going on over here. These were the autos that I had grown in the veg tent up until a few weeks ago. I cropped what I cropped the auto that I had in flower there last week. And these are the 2 that I switched over from the other tent. As you can tell, they are well into flower now as well. They're doing really well. Couple of leaves looking peaked, and it's just seems to be the nature of the autos. Really touchy with the newts and the watering, and everything sets them off. But as we can tell, this one back here has got some purple hues going, as I suspected. You can really right there. They're due for a drink later today, and I think I'll probably give them a feeding. They're at day 48. So I would say they, by the looks of them, they're going to be probably at least 2 more weeks, if not longer. Definitely not an 8-week strain anyway. So that's all that's coming. They're looking good. I didn't have a chance to clean up the refuge from the old one yet. Everything's going well in here. Nice 37% humidity is good on mid-flower. I don't want to have to be dealing with too much moisture anyway. This time of year, the sun coming through this window over here really gets things cooking in here. So mid-afternoon, it's about 25 or 30 degrees in here. So I cranked up the exhaust fan a little bit just to offset that. And I got that window crack, so we got a steady circulation of fresh air coming in. So it's keeping our temperature at a minimum. Humidity and a premium. It's perfect. But anyhow, thanks for checking in. There'll be some more videos coming up here soon as I start doing more of the outdoor work. It's time to get things going here. All of a sudden under the gun, as it would say. Bye.